This thing is live. It's live.
It's live.
Yeah.
It's live. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 23rd Outright Financial Matters webinar series, a program brought to you by Finance Leap, where we financially learn, inspire, and take action. Today we are focused on an important topic that touches almost all of us: health and business insurance for sustainability. And as I was preparing for this webinar, I read something by Rod Koch, who said, as I go to sleep, I want to make sure by the time I wake up, everyone is actually under health insurance. And I want to also say that I strongly believe that everyone one day should be on health insurance. I'm not making an advert for insurance. This is the disclaimer I'm giving, but it's just emphasizing the point around insurance. And to help us navigate through this topic, a distinguished, seasoned senior players in the field. And on my immediate right is the Council Mugabe Ashiraf. Council Mugabe Ashiraf is a senior financial risk and investment advisor with the Old Mutual. You are welcome.
Thank you.
And next to him is Mr. Kamoga Pai. It's interesting to find out whether this is the pi in the mathematics, but will tell us when that time comes. And to you, the audience, we have in the audience the academia, the professionals, the business people, and the students who are all eager to hear from you. I'm Charles Barguhare, the financial consultant and founder of Finance Leap. I will take it from there on a light note.
Yes.
Mr. Ashiraf.
Yes, please.
Greet the audience and tell us the key highlight of the week so far. We are midweek, but the key highlight in the week.
Okay. Allow me greet us all and welcome you to this session. I am Ashiraf Mugabe. I normally begin with a senior financial advisor, but I'm also an advocate, though I don't go into that here. I do work and manage as a manager under Old Mutual, Uganda, where we have quite a number of different diversions, and I still manage in all sections. So the peak of the week, or what I can call, is you must have seen what is happening today in the economy, in our lives, because we find that a lot of risks are happening. The more development comes in our day-to-day lives, the higher the risks. Okay? We are eating foods, our health is very important. So as insurance companies or as an insurance sector, the peak of the week is that today, this week, is Insurance Week. Okay? So we are celebrating insurance in Uganda. We are sensitizing the whole public in Uganda and the rest of Africa and abroad about insurance. Yes.
Wonderful. Mr. Kamuga.
Yeah.
Greet the people and also tell us the moment of the week so far.
Thank you, Charles, and thank you for inviting me or inviting us to this show.
Sure.
And I'm happy that you're trying to inform the public, about finances and things to do with their lives. Yeah, it's my name is Kamoga Pai, aka the insurance guy. I'm a risk and investment advisor with Old Mutual. I've been practicing advisory services in terms of risk and investments for the past 15 years. So I think what we're going to share tonight will be of benefit to the audience. But as my colleague has shared, the pick of the week is the insurance week, which is very fundamental in our sector, where we get to sensitize people and let people know about the existence of insurance. And of course, there are things, what's happening around the world, the Israel-US Iran war, which affects everyone. And there are so many risks involved there. Yeah, you saw prices are going up of fuel, buildings have been, bombed down. There's a lot of risk. So as we go through this session, we shall talk more about risks, that happen in our businesses. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Dear listeners and viewers, we have heard the term insurance, but to an ordinary person, to an ordinary citizen, what is it and what is the insurance uptake like in Uganda and the region?
Okay, thank you. Now, what is insurance? I can give you a small example. Before insurance, we had what we call, and even today, they are there. We have what we call the village saving circles, okay? Where people say, we are collecting this money maybe on a monthly, okay? And should anyone get this, then the pool that we have been putting that money, the basket, shall help that person in need, okay? Someone is sick, someone is, going to give birth, and they are financially down, or someone passes on. So it's from that concept that the insurance came up on a large scale. It is a pool where different players, different clients, different individuals collect money and put with an intention that if anything happens to me, then this pool should be able to help me during my need. In layman's language, that is insurance.
Okay.
Yes.
What is the insurance uptake like in Uganda and in the region?
Yeah, of course, we are a developing country as Uganda, and insurance uptake is still very, very low. Imagine we're currently starting at 0.8%. Imagine. Yet the other economies with 23%, like South Africa, Kenya, it's about, I think it's either 8 or it's in double digits. But in Uganda, it's quite very low. That's why we are here on this show, to sensitize people about the existence of insurance. But just to add on my colleague, what insurance is all about, there are risks that might happen or risks that must happen. Risks like the risks of like death, disability, those must happen to a human being. Old age, they must happen to a human being. And when they happen, is there financial relief? Imagine you have grown old, you have become 60 years, 70. You didn't plan for retirement. You may end up dying of stress. But insurance has an answer for you. Imagine you die and your kids are still going to school and you don't probably have insurance. Life will be very, very difficult. For the people who are into business, what happened some time back downtown when floods hit, people lost their property, people lost money. So those risks are covered in insurance. That when they happen, at least there's a financial relief to that business person. You see what's happening around the world when, of course, under insurance, we don't do political risk. Obviously, there's some clauses that can take care of political risk or wars. We don't insure wars. That's why you've seen some reinsurers set out statements how they won't cover things that are being damaged due to the war. But in case the risk just happen, like a building catches fire, floods have happened, I mean, the insurance company will be able to pay those, compensate that person. So insurance largely gives you peace of mind. And you don't buy it because things can happen. You buy it because things will happen in future. And when they happen, at least you're set. I mean, you're sorted. You'll be taken care of. So in summary, that's what insurance is all about. Yeah, but most probably that it gives you peace of mind, and it's very, very cheap. It's not expensive.
We'll come to that.
Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yes,
Ashraf,
please.
I want to pick it from there.
Okay.
Why is the uptake of insurance very low in Uganda?
The uptake, and indeed, yes, like he said, my colleague here, he said it's about, in Uganda it's about 0.8%. You can imagine.
Not 8.
0.8 uptake.
Oh.
We are now coming to 1, and I think we must have. I don't know, but the last time I checked, we are about 0.8. Now the uptake is affected by internal and external factors. And I know even my colleague will share a view on that. But for example, if we are to look at the internal, let me begin with internal, external. Let me start with the external. The external, because the internal, I'm looking at the insurance sector, that within the players of the insurance, there are factors that are affecting, isn't it? But I'm also saying that even the external, for example, employment. What is the rate of employment within Uganda? Can everyone afford? Because you cannot tell someone, for example, who cannot afford a meal a day or eats once a day to actually spend on medical insurance. It becomes a very big. And now, so you look at the corporate sector, people that have the ability, with the V, those that don't have. So you find that it is a big factor, affordability, which is from the external, but also internal. Okay? From the external, people are not able to buy this insurance because, one, they don't have jobs. Even those who have are paid peanuts, isn't it? So it is a big factor. And as insurance players, we see it. We see it. And as a result, some companies have come up with very favorable policies, very favorable, which we shall, or maybe, I don't know if we shall come to that, but the affordability. Number two is I would say the government policies. We have seen countries where, for example, medical insurance is almost being compulsory. And I know Uganda is advancing to those discussions. I've heard the Minister of Health propose it, and I would actually be happy for it to come through. Because then it would mean that people are contributing a small premium. Okay? People are contributing a small premium, but they are on medical, at least with a small cover. As compared to saying, let's only target the corporates, let's only target the rich. If compulsory medical insurance, health insurance is brought on board, the population shall benefit. And you will see the uptake go up. Okay? That's another, the government policy. The taxation on insurance companies is another issue. Okay? The taxation, it's a little bit high. And as a result, of course, as an issue, because like I said, it's a pool. We have to make sure that this insurance company is able to meet all the claims. A new insurance company has come on board, okay? It has brought up 1,000 clients. And they're paying little premiums. But the rate of death, rate of accidents, is not going down. No, it's actually growing because of modernization. Now, as a result, with that high tax and everything, now I'm into internal factors. The pricing of insurance goes high. We are very sorry, but because of those factors, the pricing goes high. Number three is the sensitization. I've had in all my presentations, almost every day, people complain about third party. But they complain because there is no sensitization. It is a compulsory. That's what the government. Now, the government should be able to sensitize the public. Even with the insurance players, insurance companies. How do we make a claim from a third party? Yes. So, because of those factors, the money, the economy, the taxes, the sensitization in public, all contribute to the low uptake.
Oh, thank you so much. Now, allow me call you Pi for purposes of this engagement. I want to get deep into health insurance. What are the top 3 health risks that people should be aware of, and that maybe by the time they finish this discussion, they are convinced, oh, this is a priority for me, I have to have health insurance.
Before I answer that, I want to add on my colleague's submission about sensitization. We have come a long way as a practitioners in insurance. I mean, when there are very few players in the market, people didn't know about insurance, we didn't have a training college, we didn't have a regulator, we just came recently about what, 2011 or something. So right now we are improving. No, even the clients that we have been paying a small fee to the insurance training college to educate the masses about things like third party, how you can claim, education. I mean, they're doing a very good job. Now, kudos to ITC and ARA. Yeah. So back to the question of health insurance. I mean, as I told you, you don't buy health insurance. You don't buy insurance because you can get sick. You buy insurance that in case I get sick, I'll be covered. You know, medical insurance is very expensive. Sorry, medical is very, very expensive in Uganda. It's very, very expensive. When you look at the private sector, the hospitals in Uganda, it's very, very expensive. You see what happened during COVID. How the bills were high. Yeah, and imagine, and by the way, we didn't cover COVID cases at that time because pandemics are not covered in insurance. But due to our good heart and by the regulator, we are paying those claims. Because it was something out of ordinary, something new in our setup, so we're paying them. So there are so many risks, health risks that people face when it comes to malaria, communicable diseases, so many of them. My question is that when you get sick, are you able to go to the hospital and get treated? Do you have money in your pocket to get treatment? On average, if you go to a private hospital, on average you can spend about 100,000 shillings. But you have consultation, you have tests to do, and you have medicine. So if you don't have that money, you may end up dying in the hospital. But now if you have insurance, I mean, you don't need to get it into your pocket to pay that service. So that it's very important. It's very important for someone to buy health insurance to take care of the expenses. Though it's quite expensive. Though there are some players in the market there who have affordable insurance rates for packages for medical insurance with very limited benefits, but at least you have something. You can buy medical insurance as low as 400,000 shillings the whole year, 400,000 the whole year, and you're covered. Public can add even your dependents. So the question is that are you able to sacrifice and the way you buy airtime and data, whether you buy food, where you can sacrifice and buy insurance. In case of uncertainties, I have a medical card, just go to walk to Mulago, go walk to hospital, and I'm treated. So, I mean, there's so many diseases someone faces, but and just know they're covered on insurance. In case you have your insurance cover, we shall treat you in the hospitals that we have in Uganda. Yeah.
Okay. Wonderful. Yes. Now let's go to business risks. There are a multitude of risks, but I want you to pick 3 that you have seen that affect businesses in our operating environment in Uganda that can make somebody get convinced or understand that I have to really focus on insurance for my business.
Thank you so much. Business insurance. It's not a new term. Those that know it, know it. Now, you must have seen, and I think it's not even a month back, the floods downtown. Okay? Now, natural causes are insurable. Now, look at that young lady, or old lady, I don't want to use old, young lady that had, I don't know if it is a boutique of white shirts from India. Okay? He had about, say, 4 boxes imported already. White shirts, pure cotton. And before you know, it floods. When it floods, the white becomes cream. Isn't it?
Yeah, right.
Now, because of that risk, that's just a scenario. Is a reason why you need insurance for your business. And for the case of business, it's not even high. I think business insurance is one of the cheapest.
Yeah, insurance is very
The
cheap.
rates of business insurance, very cheap.
So one of them is like floods. The second,
Floods. Number 2, theft.
theft.
Yes,
Stock.
theft and burglary.
Burglary, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Number 3, fire.
Fire.
Yes, you've seen buildings burn down. You're trying to go and they are holding you because they know you may not come back yourself. So fire, theft, natural causes. People in agriculture, you've been hit by the sun. People in cattle, you've been hit by
Foot and mouth
diseases.
disease.
You can insure. You can insure your maize garden. You can insure your coffee farm against droughts and all that. Yes.
Wonderful. Dear listeners, towards the end we'll have a moment for questions. Please take note of them and continue to share them on the forum. We'll be able to respond to them. Now let's move to affordable insurance in Uganda. Given our nature of economy, do we have what we call affordable insurance? Particularly, I want him to look at the health part, health and life, and for you, you will look at the business part. How affordable is it? And I want you to put nominal elements of it into the picture, so that our audience are able to say, hey, I mean, I can handle this within my income capacity.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Charles. As I told you earlier on, insurance is not that expensive. So imagine now someone has a small business and probably they have a capital of like 20 million shillings. And as I said, he has a boutique, capital is about 20 million shillings. Let's say you're insuring against fire, let's say 1%. What's 1% of 20 million shillings? 200,000?
I think so, 200.
200,000 shillings. Yeah. So imagine you're paying 20,000 shillings a whole year to insure your business, 20 million shillings. Though there are minimums. Minimum premiums are about 300,000 shillings. So we shall give you a minimum premium of 300,000 shillings. But you pay that 300,000 shillings every year, that's about what? About 5,000. Is it? It's about 3,000 shillings every month. 30,000 shillings every month.
30,000.
So you have peace of mind. Yeah? So people out there that own businesses, I mean, you lose nothing by buying insurance. The challenge we have is just the mindset. People fear, we want to pay claims, insurance companies don't pay. But the reason why insurance companies exist is to pay claims. They wouldn't be licensed in Uganda by RA if they wouldn't pay claims. So that fear shouldn't be anymore. You need to buy insurance, to save your business. Then look at health insurance. Where I work at Old Mitchell, you can buy a health cover of 900,000 shillings the whole year. 900,000 shillings the whole year may be quite high for Mutua Wansi. Yeah, but the other providers in the market that you can buy medical insurance is worth 400,000 shillings. Yeah, so then that's the side of insurance, general insurance, yeah, where it has risks of fire, burglary, theft, and things that you're talking about. But when you look at the side of life insurance, there are about 8 players in the market that do life insurance. And life insurance is basically saving money for your future goals. And in case death happens, there's money to give to you. Minimum is about 100,000 shillings to buy a life insurance policy. per month, okay, per month. But now the other schemes like if you no cover. Remember the time I was training about a month back, where you're in a group, you're the chairperson, and whenever someone passes out, you have to contribute money. You may end up like giving Mabugo like $1 million every month. Mabugo just. But imagine now people had a funeral cover, a funeral insurance cover, and you're paying only 60K per year. Imagine 60K per year for a funeral cover, which and the insurance cover will give you about 3 million shillings to take care of your funeral expenses. So there are so many products. There are so many products that you can benefit from, based on even your financial capacity and the magnitude of your business. Yeah. But basically, bottom line is, you can buy insurance of 60,000 shillings the whole year. You can buy medical insurance worth 400,000 shillings the whole year. You can also insure your business as well as 300,000 shillings the whole year. So you need to look at for an advisor to assess your business and see how we can support, or do a needs analysis and see what you can, based on your income status, and say how much you can save for your children's education, how much you can save for retirement, and things like that. Yeah.
Mr. Pai.
Yes.
You seem to paint a picture that makes it very glittering, that insurance is very affordable.
Yeah.
But when I connect back to the uptake, that picture does not connect.
True.
So I want you to delve into that.
Okay.
Those rates appear low. Is it that people are not sensitized? Is it that the picture he's painting is not actually reflecting down to what is on the ground? What is the picture?
Okay, thank you. What my colleague has said is actually true. That there is actually in the insurance sector a policy where you pay 100,000, okay? For example, with Old Mutual. And in case of, for example, disability, you're paid 2.5 million, okay? In case of death, you're given 5 million for funeral expenses. It's there.
100,000 a year?
A year.
A year, okay.
Once. A year. That means about 8,000
Per month.
or 7,000 per month. Now, why is there a disconnection between the fare rates that are out and the uptake? I would say the leading is on the myth. I don't know, the myth are about insurance. People are still in the old eras. The Insurance Regulatory Authority has come up, almost does the same role what the Bank of Uganda does against banks. Okay? So we are saying that if an insurance doesn't pay a claim, your claim as a client, okay, you can go to Insurance Regulatory Authority and report that company. You will be heard. They have a wide door for you, isn't it? The same way, if your bank money gets lost, you run to Bank of Uganda, and that bank will be put into accountability, isn't it? The old days have gone away, but the problem is that there is still that myth. Insurance, your thieves, insurance, like ABCD. It's a common word for us who practice insurance. It's a common word that you go and someone is totally negative. But this person, meanwhile, is 55 years. Pressure is clocking in, diabetes, old, you know the diseases are clocking in. Where you go to a hospital and the bill is 7 million.
And more.
And the insurance is telling you pay 1.2 per year. And we can sort that for you. So the myth. Number two, the other factor I would say is accessibility. Yes, insurance has advanced. People are now aware that even our audience here knows that there is a company called AB, there is C, D, and they all sell insurance. They know. But accessibility. Today we have people that receive a call from a financial advisor working with an insurance company. And the moment you say you work with Old Mutual, they be like, I'm busy. They don't want to know. But yet actually that person is providing a solution for your child. Okay? Gone are the eras where he was talking of a scenario where you were a group of OBs in a certain school. My mother, and I'm a member also. My mother passes on, God forbid, and the group has to solicit money. Even when they do so much, it is 3.5. Isn't it? Now, gone are those days. I think this, as a company circle, as a company, as an individual, as a family, you can take on this insurance. Where you say that each individual will insure the rest of
the
I
benefits.
shouldn't die and I'm coming to the group to cry. Sorry to call it crying. To seek support for a better word. To seek support. That shouldn't be the case. I should have paid the 60,000. I should have paid the 100,000. So that old bitch pays me 5 million for funeral expenses for my mom. I should have taken up, for example, Glue Plus expense cover, which covers 10 members at a cost of 200 people. Imagine 10 members, my spouse, my parents, my spouse's parents, and 4 children at a fee of 200,000 per year. And each of them, in case of anything, there is money paid. That has been a solution. That's why that video traded. But I know most of you must have seen it.
I've seen it.
Yes. That's why there's a gap.
Well, the myth. Myths are normally dealt with through awareness.
Yes.
So, Pi,
Yeah.
what are the awareness programs that you have right now that are really trying to deal with that myth? Because are really very high. Actually, in our discussion forums, there are 2 things that are making us broke. One is education, and another is health.
Yeah.
Where are you coming in to make sure that we are not broke and we are able to deal with now the smaller part of the contribution into insurance so that we are able then to move forward?
Yeah, you're right. Health challenges make people broke. Yeah, my boss tells us that you're 1 bill away from poverty. You're 1 medical bill away from poverty.
Yeah, sure.
So if you don't plan for that time, life may be very difficult. At least insurance can take care of some of your problems. Not necessarily 100%, but it can relieve you of some. So that's why it's better for you to buy insurance. But back to your question of the awareness part, what are we doing as practitioners to let people know about the existence of the insurance?
And demystify the myth.
And first of all, I want to first thank ITC, Insurance Training College. First of all, they've trained the practitioners of insurance in Uganda. You can't practice insurance in Uganda if you haven't gone to that college. So that when you go out there in the market, you know what you're preaching. You have an idea. So they've done a very good job. I was trying to go to schools, introduce insurance from the grassroots. People get to know about insurance. And they're doing so many awareness programs. Then IRA has also done a good job in terms of creating awareness. You know, social media is happening for them. Out of being, I don't know the current insurance week, which happens every year for 7 days. I know right now we are at City Square. We're trying to let people know about what's happening in the industry. But then the other thing that the insurance companies have, like where I work at Old Mitchell, is what they call the Market Storm Day. That Market Storm Day happens once a week, every Thursday. We go and storm the market, go downtown and let people know. By the way, we are here as advisors. We want to help you, support in your business. What risks are you facing? We want to support you. You have a family, you want to support you with medical insurance, you want to support you with life insurance. So every Thursday, we go out there and storm the market to create awareness about our existence as Old Mitchell. I told you as insurance at large. I told you about social media. I mean, there are some people out there who on their phones. We are pushing so much on social media. So many programs on TV, like this program here, which is good. So we are doing a lot to sensitize people about the existence of insurance and how they can benefit. Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's talk claims. You said the reason
where we
insurance exists is to pay claims.
Yeah.
But is that the feeling that is out there in the audience. I want you to paint a picture of somebody paying insurance, then he gets a problem, he comes to the insurance company, he's told you did not complete this, you did not complete this, and he misses out. I'm told you find small reasons
Not to pay.
not to pay. Kindly demystify that to the audience.
Okay. So claims. It also comes from the other reason I gave you, myth. I can tell you that we have clients that have made more than one claim, more than 5 in a year, and they are paid. Okay? We also must understand that the insurance we are dealing with is on a growth and prone to vices.
Abuse.
Okay? So, yes, the insurance wants to pay. Because the moment we don't pay, IRA is on our neck. Okay? The moment it's very bad for a client to take your company to IRA, because that is your boss. Now, the myth, and somehow the reality also. Because Ashraf's claim was not paid because he was driving while drunk, me, I will not pay for my comprehensive. Ashraf does not tell you the story why he wasn't paid. But Ashraf was driving and he was drunk and he hit someone. Okay? Ashraf wants a new car. Ashraf cannot be drunk. Maybe Moses. Let me use Moses.
That's a good one.
Ashraf cannot be drunk.
That's a good one.
Moses. This is an example. Sorry to Moses, whether you were in an audience.
It's
Yes, it's an example.
Moses in quotes.
Moses goes to his workplace. Can you imagine? This company has refused to pay my claim, but I gave these people 2 million for my comprehensive. The police report is saying you had 7 bottles empty. You were drunk. All you is saying, any insurance company is saying, okay, let's share the risk. Some insurance will pay part to a certain extent. Others will tell you no. Okay? But understand why they did. How I wish when they are telling their colleagues at workplaces and family meetings and what, they also tell them why they didn't pay. Okay? Because it is a big issue. And it's, one bad story can kill all the sensitization that has been on. Other insurance policies are the life insurance policies that he was talking about. I've taken up a plan. It is for 5 years. I'm planning for my child. The contract is saying A, B, C, D. Do A, B, C, D. Isn't it? Where you face a challenge. Now, this is also another factor that I've had within my years of working in insurance. That some clients choose to go mute because they have faced a financial challenge. But remember, I'm your financial advisor. Don't look at me only being the insurance guy. Sorry. He's the insurance guy. Don't look at me only being the insurance advisor. The knowledge that I have in finance can somehow help you save your child's policy. There are solutions that your financial advisor can give you and your policy is not cancelled, for those that know about those policies. So that we avoid the loss. Please, when you encounter a challenge within an insurance plan, don't keep quiet. Don't go and start telling your friends. Don't go and... The first thing to do is approach the insurance company. Approach the insurance company. Why? Because it's the one that has a relationship, not your friend. You will tell your friend, he will tell you stories of the other friend that they told them. And you feel, even if I do anything, nothing will happen. But if I come to Ashraf, he's a representative of company B. I am Old Mitchell. Proud to say. Okay? I will find a solution for the client.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yes.
To add on that,
Yes.
The truth is here. There are some claims that we don't pay.
Mhm.
That's the truth.
Mm.
But because we don't pay them because they're not genuine claims.
Yeah.